Hey everyone, if you're getting a Dropbox storage full error in 2026, like uploads blocked or sync stopped, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox storage full problem step by step. First, open Dropbox and check your storage usage. This shows exactly how much space is used. Next, delete unnecessary or old files you don't need anymore. This is the fastest way to free up space. Now, don't forget to empty your deleted files or trash folder. Files still take space until you remove them permanently. After that, if you need more space, upgrade your Dropbox plan. This gives you extra storage instantly. Next, move large files to your computer or external drive. This reduces cloud storage usage. Now, check shared folders for duplicate files. Sometimes shared content takes extra space. After that, enable selective sync on your device. This lets you choose which folders stay in Dropbox. Finally, look for hidden large files like videos or backups. These usually take the most space. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox storage full error in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll free up space and restore syncing. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Dropbox tutorials for beginners. Hey,